Hey guys, James from Attach2 here. Today we're going to be showing you how to use your shore grip coupler with the Attach2 control switch to quickly and safely change attachments. Now let's get into it. Step 1. Ensure the coupler is in the transport position. Step 2. Push the power button on the control switch. Step 3. Push the activate button within 5 seconds of pushing the power button. Step 4. Hold the joystick crowd in to supply hydraulic pressure. This will disengage the coupler so you can release the attachment. Step 5. Change attachments. Step 6. With the coupler in transport position, push the power button again to re-engage the coupler. Just note, you have 60 seconds to lock in the attachment before the system deactivates. If that happens, repeat the process. Step 7. Hold the joystick crowd in to lock the coupler onto the attachment. Step 8. Perform a visual inspection from inside the cab to ensure the coupler is engaged correctly. Step 9. Perform a bump test by placing the attachment on the ground and crowding away. And that's it. The Attach2 control switch makes swapping attachments fast, simple and safe. If you're unsure or have any questions, visit our website or give us a call. Now let's get digging.